tumeona Nyota Fund. Nyota Fund imekam na Prezo. Prezo amesema I need to support the young people. Kwa sababu the young people have been so vocal. Waki bring in the ideas zenye wako nazo. Waki reject some of the things zenye amekuwa come up. So ilikuwa ni kama anaona they are outside the equation. So what did he do? Kwanza alianza na Nyota Fund. Anapea my young people 22,000 in batches of 2. Anawaambia go and start a business. Truly, hii do inaweza saidia wengine. Wenye wanataka kuanza hizi biashara ndogo ndogo, kinyozi, mama mboga, kanduthi, nini, ili ziweze kuwasaidia. But apparently, is this good use of public funds? And are the young people, that best way ya kuwasaidia ni by kuleta this Nyota Fund? I'm imagining helping these big companies. Sahi tunasema tunauza Safaricom. How many people has Safaricom employed? So unasaidia watu kiasi, yet the big companies zenye zinafaa kubuild an economy, what are the thresholds zenye ziko hapo kusaidia hizi big companies? Because the young people wamekuwa so vocal wakisema, wengine sahi wamechange, wanasema tutam because of the simple shillings zenye wanapata hapa na pale. But the majority are learned. The majority have degrees. The majority can speak out and say, this is not good use of public funds. We want the president to focus on the economy. Instead of handouts, provide opportunities. Opportunities such as the market yenye ina support all these companies. Ili hizi companies zikuje Kenya. I support exports. I support imports. I support very many things zenye zinaweza come. Other is the taxation. Kuna wasi wenye wameambiwa kama una receive below 30k hautakuwa unalipa tax. Previously ilikuwa 24k. Wasi walikuwa na prefer kupata 23k to 24k. How many people are employed when you wanalipa less than 30k? The majority of them are the young people. So the young people wana feel ni kama this is our chance. This is our chance to say yenye Prezo you're doing something. But could this be a handout? A handout kuambia manzi I need you for something. I need you to vote for me in 2027. Otherwise I need to tell you something that you don't know about what is going to happen in 2027. Young people, tune in.